Uncle Buck's Coffee Meat Rub Recipe. Elevate your barbecue game. Hey there, barbecue enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a recipe that's going to take your grilling game to a whole new level. Get ready for the incredible Uncle Buck's Coffee Meat Rub. This unique rub combines the rich flavors of coffee with a perfect blend of spices, giving your meats a mouthwatering and unforgettable taste. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: 1/4 cup finely ground coffee, use your favorite blend. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 1 tablespoon smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon kosher salt. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon onion powder. 1/2 tablespoon black pepper, freshly ground. 1/2 tablespoon chili powder, adjust to taste. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to heat preference. Instructions: combine the base ingredients. In a mixing bowl, let's start by combining the base ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of finely ground coffee. The coffee's earthy and slightly smoky flavors will work wonders with your meat. Then, toss in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for a touch of sweetness that'll caramelize beautifully on the grill. Add the spice mix. Next up, the spice mix. Add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for that deep, smoky essence, followed by 1 tablespoon of kosher salt to enhance the overall flavor. For some aromatic depth, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. These will create a balanced base of flavors. Heat and kick. To give your rub a kick, add 1/2 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper. This adds a nice hint of heat. If you're feeling bold, throw in 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder for a smidge of extra warmth. And remember, you can always adjust the amount to suit your taste. For some serious heat, add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix and store. Now that all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure all those spices and coffee grounds are well combined. Once your Uncle Buck's Coffee Meat Rub is ready, you can store it in an airtight container. It should stay fresh for several months. Apply the rub. When you're ready to grill, generously apply the rub to your meat of choice. This rub works wonders on beef, pork, chicken, and even game meats like venison. Just make sure to coat all sides evenly for that perfect flavor balance. Grill to perfection. Fire up your grill to the desired temperature and get ready to experience the magic. Grill your meat to your preferred level of doneness, and watch as the rub forms a delicious crust that locks in those flavors. The coffee's rich undertones will infuse into the meat, creating an unforgettable taste experience. Rest and serve. Once your meat is cooked to perfection, let it rest for a few minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Then, slice it up and get ready to enjoy a flavor explosion like no other. The Uncle Buck's Coffee Meat Rub is sure to impress your friends and family at your next barbecue gathering. And there you have it, folks, Uncle Buck's Coffee Meat Rub, a recipe that's about to become your secret weapon for the most amazing grilled meats. Remember, it's all about balance and experimentation, so feel free to adjust the ingredients according to your preferences. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your fellow grillmasters. Until next time, happy grilling! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.